Well, this come through the post. I'm all happy with this. Garrington Red Diamond. Get out there, get out there. That goes with my other two. I've got a 10 and a 14, and now I've got a 24. So I'm missing an 18. And that's about it, isn't it, really? This is an 8. Right, that's one. That is nice, isn't it? Now, is that black or is that... No, it's grease. It's oil. Found it. So that's going to come up clean, isn't it? That's, even the head there is dirt. I hope. I'll start doing different colour coordinations now. So that goes in the Garrington collection, the 24-inch collection, the pipe wrench collection. Too many collections. I wish life was simple and I just had, you know, the one collection like Ben. Everything. Right, what's this one? Polytops. Right, that won't go in the video then, will it? Fuck me. That's 50 Polytops. Alright, there we go down. Good, isn't it, when I don't know what I've fucking got? Oh, I reckon this is some pipe wrenches. This, I reckon, is pipe wrenches. I'm just having a guess. Because it's pipe wrench shape, isn't it? Well, I hope you're all doing well this week. By the time this video comes out, you know, lockdown 17 should have been lifted. No, lockdown 3 should have been lifted, and we should all be out enjoying the sunshine. You know, ready for the next lockdown. So, I forgot what this package cost. I think it was 20 quid, including postage. So it was 20 quid all in. And we got one of them, that's a record 14. And we got one of them, that's a record 10. And we got one of them, that's a CK8. I do believe I've got a couple of other CKs floating around. I can dig them out. Might have a set now. And a record 18. And a record 8. And a record 12. That would be nearly a full set, but let me just pull these over here. You can see this one's never had any paint. It may have once had red on the handle down the bottom here because of its age, but no paint. This one, obviously blue and blue. Right, so it's got that rubberized paint like the anvils have got. It's so hard to get off. And then if you look at these three heads here, these heads are quite different to these. These are the standard heads where the record's sunken. This one's got a little ridge all the way around it. 19 records hanging on the wall. And there's one green bottle. And I've only got, out of those 19, I've only got that one with this edge, which is a 14. And that's a 14, so I can't even make a new setup. But there we are. So, what have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 6 records there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So this was some footage I lost and I found it, so I've whacked it out. Tomorrow will be the restore of some of these records. Okay, that's all for now. Bye.